What was your journey like in the first 100, maybe the first 6 months? Where did you start? What did you do? Like operational perspective, how did they bring them together? I'm sure there, a lot of things were sacred that people didn't want you to tear down. Walk us through that journey for the first 3 to 6 months.
So coming in the very kind of getting the first lay of the land in the first 3 months, I was here was a lot of questions to the people that were here running the channels, working with the channel partners. And I would ask questions about how many partners do we actually have? And then I come to find out that, well, anyone could just create an account in Salesforce and check a box that said they were signed, whether they had a contract or not, as an example. So I had to put my foot down and stop the madness and said, no, we need to really actually analyze how many partners we actually have that are signed. And so we did that work and we came to a number and it made sense. And then we started implementing processes. So create a prospect partner account, but you can't really say that it's signed until there's actually a contract in place. So we did have to implement some of those kind of operational stakes to get to the baseline of where we really were so we could determine where we wanted to get to in terms of the numbers of partners and types of partners that we wanted. So that was kind of the first thing I had to do, was really get the lay of the land from all of the different teams around the world. And I would say, even though I had to implement some things that created change, everybody understood what the long-term goal was. So if you share what the vision is and where we're going to get to, and here are some things we have to do now to get to where we want to, people will buy in. So that's really kind of what we had to do. And then from there, working with the operational teams, the pricing teams, et cetera, to figure out how do we create discounting, how do we create a margin for deal registration, et cetera, and then operationalize that into the system.